What if I told you there are cars out there that can run for 500,000 miles? 1,000,000 miles? Cars that your grandchildren could inherit and still drive to work every day? While most vehicles are designed to break down right after their warranty expires, there's a secret brotherhood of automobiles that laugh in the face of planned obsolescence. These are the immortal machines, the automotive legends that refuse to die. So buckle up, because we're about to explore automotive history's greatest survivors. Get ready to discover why these 15 machines have earned their place in the Reliability Hall of Fame. 15. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX represents the ultimate combination of luxury and reliability in the full-size SUV segment. This capable SUV proves vehicles can deliver exceptional off-road capability and luxury appointments while maintaining legendary reliability that made Lexus synonymous with automotive excellence, demonstrating that compromise isn't necessary when engineering excellence is the priority. The GX's power plant represents Toyota's most advanced SUV engine technology, combining reliability Toyota is famous for with performance and refinement Lexus owners expect. The V8 engine features robust construction with internal components engineered for longevity under demanding conditions, designed to handle everything from daily commuting to serious off-road adventures while maintaining performance characteristics. Lexus's approach to GX engineering reflects the brand's commitment to creating vehicles exceeding owner expectations for reliability and capability. The engine management system optimizes performance while protecting the power plant from damage under various operating conditions. This comprehensive approach ensures the GX can handle demanding applications while maintaining reliability Lexus owners expect, with these SUVs regularly exceeding 200,000 miles while maintaining luxury appointments and off-road capability. 14. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot demonstrates that three-row SUVs can deliver exceptional reliability while providing space and capability large families need. This full-size SUV proves Honda's engineering excellence scales effectively to larger vehicles, creating a family hauler delivering the same dependability that made Honda synonymous with reliability. Honda's approach to Pilot powertrain design emphasizes engineering principles that made Honda famous for reliability. The V6 engine powering the Pilot handles additional SUV demands while maintaining longevity characteristics Honda owners expect. This power plant features robust construction and conservative tuning, prioritizing durability over maximum performance output. The Pilot's engine design includes features specifically engineered to handle varied driving conditions large SUV owners encounter. The management system adapts to different load conditions while maintaining optimal operation, ensuring efficient performance whether carrying passengers or towing recreational equipment. Honda's manufacturing quality standards ensure each Pilot engine meets exacting specifications for reliability and performance, with real-world data consistently showing Pilots providing hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable family transportation. 13. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has earned legendary status among mid-size pickup trucks through exceptional reliability and off-road capability. This versatile truck proves Toyota's engineering excellence extends to all vehicle categories, creating a pickup delivering the same legendary dependability that made Toyota synonymous with reliability worldwide. Toyota's approach to Tacoma engine design reflects comprehensive understanding of what truck buyers need. The engines available handle diverse applications from daily commuting to serious off-road adventures while maintaining reliability characteristics Toyota owners expect. These power plants feature robust construction and conservative tuning, ensuring longevity. The Tacoma's engine architecture incorporates design features specifically intended to handle varied stresses truck operation involves. The cooling system handles heavy loads and off-road conditions without compromising engine longevity. Internal components are manufactured to precise tolerances and engineered with generous safety margins, allowing the engine to handle demanding applications while operating within safe parameters. These trucks regularly exceed 200,000 miles while maintaining capability and dependability. 12. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado represents General Motors' commitment to building trucks handling America's toughest jobs while delivering reliability that commercial and recreational users demand. This full-size pickup has earned its reputation through decades of proven performance in applications ranging from construction sites to family recreation. Chevrolet's approach to Silverado engine design emphasizes robust construction and conservative tuning that truck applications demand. The V8 engines available handle heavy loads, towing, and demanding applications while maintaining performance characteristics over hundreds of thousands of miles. These power plants feature strong engine block construction and internal components designed for durability. The Silverado's engine management system optimizes performance while protecting the power plant from damage under demanding conditions, monitoring various parameters to ensure operation within safe limits regardless of load or driving conditions. This protective approach contributes significantly to long-term reliability. Quality control ensures each engine meets exacting specifications, resulting in trucks regularly exceeding 250,000 miles while maintaining capability and reliability. 11. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 stands as America's best-selling truck for decades, a distinction earned through proven reliability that made it the backbone of American commerce and recreation. This full-size pickup demonstrates that trucks can deliver exceptional longevity while handling demanding work and recreational duties, defining the pickup truck market. Ford's approach to F-150 engine design emphasizes durability and capability over maximum performance numbers. The engines available in the F-150 lineup are engineered to handle towing, hauling, and demanding applications while maintaining reliability over hundreds of thousands of miles. These power plants feature robust construction with internal components designed to handle truck duty stresses. The F-150's engine architecture incorporates lessons from decades of truck manufacturing experience. Ford's engineers understand truck owners demand reliability above all characteristics, leading to conservative engineering approaches prioritizing longevity. Real-world data consistently shows F-150s delivering decades of reliable service in demanding applications, with fleet operators regularly reporting trucks exceeding 300,000 miles while maintaining capability and reliability. 10. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback represents a unique approach combining passenger car reliability with SUV capability, all built around Subaru's legendary boxer engine architecture. This distinctive powertrain configuration has earned devoted following among drivers appreciating the combination of reliability, capability, and distinctive character, defining the Subaru ownership experience. Subaru's horizontally opposed engine design provides inherent advantages for longevity and reliability. The boxer engine's low center of gravity and balanced design result in smooth operation with minimal vibration, reducing stress on engine mounts and related components. This configuration also provides excellent cooling characteristics, as horizontal orientation allows effective heat dissipation, contributing to long-term engine durability. The Outback's engine construction incorporates Subaru's decades of experience with boxer engine technology. Internal components are engineered to handle unique stresses associated with horizontal engine configuration, while maintaining reliability Subaru owners expect. Real-world performance shows these vehicles regularly exceeding 200,000 miles while maintaining all-weather capability and reliability, with the boxer engine's distinctive sound and smooth operation remaining consistent even after hundreds of thousands of miles. 9. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 pioneered the compact SUV segment and maintained its position as one of the most reliable vehicles through decades of continuous refinement. This versatile SUV proves Toyota's engineering excellence extends beyond traditional passenger cars, creating utility vehicles delivering the same legendary reliability that made Toyota a global automotive leader. The RAV4's engine design reflects Toyota's comprehensive understanding of what makes power plants last. The four-cylinder engines powering different RAV4 generations are engineered to handle additional SUV stresses while maintaining longevity characteristics Toyota owners expect. These engines feature robust construction and conservative tuning, ensuring reliable operation under diverse driving conditions. Toyota's approach to RAV4 engineering prioritizes real-world reliability over marketing specifications. The engine management system optimizes performance while protecting internal components from excessive wear. This philosophy results in power plants that may not produce the highest horsepower numbers but consistently deliver reliable service for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Real-world data consistently shows RAV4s exceeding 200,000 miles with minimal major mechanical issues. 8. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V established the template for reliable compact SUVs, creating a new vehicle category, combining SUV practicality with Honda's famous dependability. Since introduction, the CR-V has consistently demonstrated that utility vehicles don't sacrifice reliability for capability, proving smart engineering can deliver both attributes in a single, well-designed package. Honda's approach to the CR-V's powertrain emphasizes engineering principles that made Honda synonymous with reliability. The four-cylinder engines powering the CR-V handle additional SUV demands while maintaining longevity characteristics Honda owners expect. These engines incorporate robust construction and conservative tuning, prioritizing durability over maximum power output. The CR-V's engine design includes features specifically engineered for varied driving conditions SUV owners encounter. The cooling system handles towing and heavy loads without compromising engine longevity. The engine management system adapts to different conditions while maintaining optimal operation, ensuring efficient performance whether navigating city streets or climbing mountain passes. Real-world data shows CRVs regularly exceeding 250,000 miles with minimal major repairs. 7. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Mazda MX-5 Miata proves that reliability and driving excitement aren't mutually exclusive. This lightweight sports car has earned devotion not just for exceptional handling and pure driving experience, but for remarkable ability to deliver years of trouble-free service while maintaining performance characteristics that make driving joyful rather than a chore. Mazda's approach to the Miata's engine design emphasizes perfect balance between performance and reliability. The four-cylinder engines powering various Miata generations share common characteristics: robust construction, precise manufacturing, and conservative tuning, ensuring longevity. These engines handle enthusiastic driving that sports car ownership encourages while maintaining reliability over hundreds of thousands of miles. The Miata's engine architecture reflects Mazda's deep understanding of what makes engines last. The power plant features strong engine block construction with excellent cooling capabilities, ensuring spirited driving doesn't compromise long-term durability. Real-world reliability data consistently shows these sports cars delivering decades of driving pleasure with minimal mechanical issues, creating a sports car owners can enjoy without typical performance vehicle reliability concerns. 6. Lexus LS. The Lexus LS represents the pinnacle of Toyota's engineering excellence, wrapped in luxury that rivals the world's finest automobiles. This full-size luxury sedan has redefined buyer expectations for premium vehicles, proving that true luxury includes the peace of mind from owning one of the most reliable cars ever built. Under the elegant exterior lies an engine representing decades of Toyota's relentless pursuit of perfection. The V8 engines powering various LS generations are masterpieces of automotive engineering, combining smooth operation with legendary reliability. These power plants are built to tolerances exceeding even Toyota's exacting standards, with internal components engineered for longevity rather than maximum performance output. The LS's engine construction incorporates the finest materials and manufacturing processes available. Every component undergoes quality control procedures that would be considered excessive in most manufacturing environments. This attention results in engines operating with Swiss watch precision, while delivering Toyota's famous reliability. Owners regularly report trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles, with many vehicles reaching 300,000 miles while maintaining the smooth, quiet operation defining the LS experience. 5. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius revolutionized the automotive industry's approach to fuel efficiency while redefining reliability in the hybrid era. This groundbreaking vehicle proved that environmental consciousness doesn't require sacrificing dependability, creating a new category of ultra-reliable vehicles that combine electric and gasoline power in ways that enhance longevity. The Prius's hybrid powertrain represents one of the most sophisticated yet reliable automotive systems ever developed. The combination of Atkinson's cycle gasoline engine and electric motor creates a powertrain operating under significantly less stress than conventional engines. The gasoline engine frequently shuts off during driving, reducing wear, while the electric motor handles low-speed operation where most engine wear occurs. Toyota prioritized reliability from the beginning with hybrid technology. The engine management system optimizes the balance between gasoline engine and electric motor to minimize stress on both systems. The gasoline engine operates primarily in its most efficient RPM range, avoiding high-stress conditions that typically lead to premature wear. Taxi fleets have reported Prius vehicles exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal maintenance beyond routine service items. 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has earned its place among automotive legends through unwavering commitment to engineering excellence. Since its introduction, the Civic has consistently demonstrated that smart engineering and quality manufacturing can create vehicles that last for decades while maintaining their efficiency and reliability. Honda's approach to the Civic's engine design emphasizes durability through simplicity and precision. The various four-cylinder engines that have powered the Civic share common characteristics: robust construction, conservative tuning, and exceptional build quality. These engines operate efficiently under wide-ranging conditions while maintaining performance well beyond normal vehicle lifespan. The Civic's engine architecture incorporates Honda's decades of experience creating long-lasting power plants. Internal components are engineered with generous safety margins, operating well below failure points during normal driving. This conservative engineering separates truly reliable engines from those prioritizing short-term performance over long-term durability. Real-world data consistently shows Civics regularly exceeding 250,000 miles with minimal major repairs. 3. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla holds the distinction of being the world's best-selling car, and this achievement is built on an unshakable foundation of reliability. For over 5 decades, the Corolla has been Toyota's compact car champion, proving that size doesn't determine longevity when engineering excellence is the priority. The heart of the Corolla's legendary reliability lies in its beautifully simple yet sophisticated engine design. Toyota's approach prioritizes longevity over peak performance numbers. The result is a power plant that may not win drag races but will consistently start every morning for the next 20 years. The 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine represents decades of refinement and optimization. Toyota's zero-defect philosophy means every component must meet exacting specifications. The Corolla's engine management system is designed for simplicity rather than complexity, meaning fewer electronic components that could fail. The engine's conservative tuning ensures internal components operate well within stress limits, contributing to exceptional longevity that has made the Corolla a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord stands as a testament to Honda's engineering philosophy that form should follow function, and function should last forever. This mid-size sedan has earned its reputation through decades of consistent performance and remarkable durability. The Accord's engines combine efficiency, power, and longevity in ways that continue to amaze automotive experts. Honda's VTEC technology represents a breakthrough in variable valve timing that enhances performance while contributing to engine longevity. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine has achieved legendary status for its ability to deliver consistent performance well into high-mileage territory. The engine block uses high-grade aluminum alloys that provide excellent strength while dissipating heat effectively. Honda's precision manufacturing ensures tolerances are maintained to microscopic levels, resulting in engines that run smoothly even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The Accord's design includes easily accessible service points, making routine maintenance straightforward. This accessibility, combined with Honda's extensive dealer network, ensures that keeping an Accord running for decades remains both practical and affordable. 1. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry isn't just a car, it's a phenomenon that has redefined what reliability means in the automotive world. This mid-size sedan has become the gold standard against which all other family cars are measured. The secret behind the Camry's legendary longevity lies in Toyota's obsessive attention to engineering perfection and their philosophy of continuous improvement. Under the hood, you'll find engines that are masterpieces of mechanical engineering. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine has achieved mythical status among mechanics. This power plant runs smoothly well beyond the 300,000-mile mark with nothing more than regular oil changes. The engine's cast-iron block construction provides exceptional durability, while the aluminum head offers optimal heat dissipation. What makes the Camry special is Toyota's conservative engineering approach. Instead of pushing boundaries with unproven technology, Toyota perfects proven designs until they become virtually bulletproof. The timing chain eliminates one of the most common failure points in engines. Real-world examples include taxi fleets documenting Camrys reaching 500,000 miles with original engines still running strong. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you discover your next forever car. Subscribe for more automotive content that cuts through marketing hype to reveal what makes cars truly great, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest deep dives into automotive excellence. What's your experience with any of these legendary vehicles? Drop a comment below and share your high-mileage stories. We love hearing from owners who've experienced firsthand what makes these cars truly special.